Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. Today we're going to start an office renovation in my basement here and just give me a better area to work in, more light, which hopefully will equate to better videos and maybe better sound because there's not as much stuff going on around it. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough as we go along. Hope you like it. If you like it, hit that like. Think about subscribing. And hit that bell for future notifications so you see videos as they come up. Okay, so this is the before pictures. This area here won't change. But this and all these shelves, and there's many more behind them, and this corner here will all change. So all this mess will be gone, and this hopefully will turn into a new area for me to do my videos and all that kind of good stuff. So this is the before, and soon I'll show you the process and the after. First thing I gotta do is empty all those shelves. Oh no. Okay, so day 2, I've got everything wrapped here. Peter's even got a bag over it, so if there's any drywall dust or anything like that, it doesn't get it inside anything. And I've cleared off all the shelves, so I'm going to make that look better. And I just got that little bit left there. Once that's done, it'll come start working tomorrow, and I'll give you what it looks like afterward again. Stay tuned. Okay, day 1 of the project is going on place, and all the tools and everything here. So they cut this all out, which I knew would be pretty easy. And of course they've got this. We're gonna make a big change here, and hopefully when it's all said and done, you won't even be able to see that water pipe and all that kind of good stuff, and it'll have a completely different look. So stay tuned, and it'll be a little bit later on here. So I'm looking forward to it. I think it's gonna look cool. Okay, so here we are. Things are going along. I mean, this is just where they decided to put all their stuff. So we got new paint on the door there to make it look better. You can see where the top is going to go on. And there's going to be some shelves in behind, but they painted all the back here. So that's going to look real nice there. And I have this nice big alcove. Okay, it's got lots of room for me to do everything with. And yeah, some good stuff. That'll all be covered up. You won't be able to see it. And I'll have some shelves built into the back, in the corner there maybe. And yeah, so tomorrow it should be all done, and I will show you the final product. You got that covered up. I got to do a little bit more on it tomorrow. And they were supposed to be done Friday, but that didn't quite happen. But it is coming together really nice. I got my little cubicle areas up there to put little books and, well, whatever I want to put in there. I left lots of room for monitors and for computer builds, so that once that shelf is on and the parts are over here, all the stuff they're going to lay in place. So that'll go in this little corner here, and they put these little brackets, okay, hold everything in place, and painted the doors to make it look real nice. And so this part here is going to stay open, and so is this, just so if I want to put anything in the bottom and behind there. And they're going to obviously finish this all up. That is on a hinge, so if I need to open it to get to the water or anything like that, I can. Some of this will be hidden, and I might come up with something to cover that up a little bit more myself. So they were supposed to be done Friday, but unfortunately, with some of my extra little things I was asking for, it's going to be finished up Saturday morning, but it's still in time for me to do a video and show it all to you. And I did one little thing that I thought was pretty cool. I had this nice little power bar. So it goes all the way up, lots of outlets, and that's just going to plug in down here. to the outlet that's here. It's kind of hard to see from here, but right there. And that's going to allow me to plug in numerous things. So, one more day and it will all be done. I'm getting very anxious to start building on this and bring you guys better content. With that little space that's there, if I don't want to do a little green screen or anything in the background, I can do that. So we'll have to do some experimenting in that area. Alright, tomorrow's the big day, the final day, and we'll do the big reveal. Okay, so here's the big reveal. I've got my little spaces up there, I got a shelf, and I have a huge work area to choose from. I've got my doors that close. I've got space underneath to occupy with whatever I want. There's nice little hidden kind of cutouts in the corners here. Nice big one there. And of course, this one over here with power right there to plug everything in. The attention to detail has been amazing. Like even painting this, the whole thing. So you can see more and more as I back up the space I've just gained. And it is spectacular. No more ugly water pipe on the back. And I'll put something up there to disguise that little one that is there, but that's not a biggie. Now it's putting my stuff there, doing future videos for builds. And that's it. Alright everybody, so that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. Hope you like my new office space. I made sure the clearance here was enough to put even the tallest computer and have room to still build on it and everything like that. So if you like it, hit that like. If you don't, you know what to do. Think about subscribing. Think about checking out those affiliate links. Make a donation. And if you're interested in who did this, I'll have a link in the description for his company. It says I'm not sure if YouTube allows mentioning certain companies or whatever. So if you know if they do or not, let me know so that I can do that later on. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for future videos here, and I think they're going to be spectacular. Thanks for watching.